Hello, friends. How are you? Now we will discuss about in forex market. Uh, what will happen in the next week, and we will discuss the most important news in the economic news in the next week for 14th August 2022 to 23 to 18 August 2023. So let's start it for our the we will see that how much important news in this week. So now I started that. So we will see that for the 14th August, 14th August, there have no important news uh, in there. We will discuss the most important news in this week. So now we will see that for the 15th August 2023, and we will see that first uh, Japanese GDP growth. This is the and this is the 5:50 a.m. for the Bangladesh time. Uh, Now we will see that the GBP unemployment rate and euros ZEW economic sentiment index. Germany have to send that ZEW economic sentiment index and 6:30 p.m. in Bangladesh time, and we will see Canada core inflation rate and inflation rate yearly, and have to the United States uh, retail sales. So that means 15 August will market volatility will very high, and we will see the 16 August. In there is the New Zealand press conference, the interest rate maybe declaration in there, and what will happen in the next interest rate they could be the press briefing. Uh, and the United Kingdom GBPs have the core inflation rate, and Euro GDP, US dollar have to building permit bill. 17 August 2023, we will see that the FMC minutes. That means minutes for the next meeting. What will happen? The interest rate ups and downs for the US dollar. And now we will see the Australia unemployment rate. And 18 August we will see the inflation rate for Japan and Euro core inflation rate. This is the Fridays. So if I say that most of the uh, currencies have the news in this week, and for uh, without CHF, there are no CHF most important news in there. We will see Australia, New Zealand, Euro, GBP, catch, and uh, catch, and US dollar also become the every times have to most important news available in there. So if I see that the most important news, what will happen the market if now we will discuss the uh, for for the different peers, we will discuss what will happen the next week. And first of all, we if we see that for the GBP and Z, GBP and Z is showing the uh, 1 hour chart is uptrend, 4 hour chart is uptrend, day chart also uptrend. That means it could be market up for the next week. And now I'll say that use the CHF. Use the CHF is become the 1 hour chart uptrend, 4 hour chart downtrend, and day chart also downtrend. That means this is the makes the indecision market at this moment. Now, GBP CHF also, if I see that the 1 hour chart is downtrend, and yes, 4 hour chart also become the downtrend, and day chart also become downtrend. That means it will be down for the next week. So, uh, Euro USD, if I see that the Euro USD also become the downtrend for on our chart, 4 hour also uptrend, but it is the make the indecision at this moment. So, and if I see the 1 hour chart, on our chart also make the indecision at this moment. That's why if I see that for Euro USD also become the unstable in this market, but that means indecision market. And NZUSD also 1 hour chart downtrend, 4 hour chart downtrend, and or day chart also become the downtrend. That means NZ was very weak. NZUSD was very weak at this moment. And if I see that the USD JPY, USD JPY also 1 hour chart become the uptrend, 4 hour chart become the uptrend, and the day chart become the uptrend. If I see that long term, it was the uptrend. It was not be at this moment. It was. I hope that it will be continue to weak for JPY. USD JPY also become the R ups for next week and long. And if I see that a GBP cat, if I see GBP cat also 1 hour chart is uptrend, 4 hour chart is uptrend, so day chart also uptrend. You should come to the buy at this moment. That's an uptrend market. And oh yes, EuroCAD just 1 hour chart become the uptrend market, 4 hour chart become the uptrend, day chart also become the uptrend. That means you could buy in these places in the next week. I hope that is the biggest profit from there. And now GBP, Euro also become the 1 hour chart is uptrend, 4 hour chart is uptrend, and the day chart become the uptrend. That's the break the resistance areas. Sometimes it can trying to just retracement, but it will be up, no doubt about this. So now we will see that the GBP, Euro GBP become the uptrend. 4 hour chart becomes uptrend, but it was trying to down. And if I see that the J chart also become the downtrend, so that's when this is the indecision market. So if you see, if you could, if you could buy or sell anything else, so market where we go, we know that. If I see that the odd JPY also become the downtrend. 4 hour chart it was trying to down, and day chart become the up. That means if I see this is the indecision market, we never know that what will go, where will we go this market. That's why you should careful in this pair. Now we will say cat JPY also become the uptrend. Cat JPY 4 hour chart also uptrend, and day chart become the uptrend. That means you should try to buy from there. And now we will see use the cat. Use the cat 1 hour chart is very up. It is trying to up continuously, no breakdown from down. And 4 hour chart also become the uptrend, day chart become the uptrend. That means we can say that that will be uptrend from there. And GBP USD also 1 hour chart become the uptrend, 4 hour chart is trying to up or down. That's the indecision, and day chart become the uptrend. That's mean we can say that that will be makes the indecision market at this moment for the GBP USD. It was not strong, not weak. I hope that that will be become that between the price that they could uh, gone anywhere. That's why you should avoid from this pair. And now you say that audios becomes C. Oh yes, on our chart become the downtrend. 4 hour chart become the downtrend. Yes, day chart become the downtrend. That means odd also very weak. NZ USD very weak. That means GBP NZ GBP or it come to the up from there. And audios do weak or audios also sell from there. And now we will say uh, use GBP JPY. GBP JPY, we will see that this is the 1 hour chart uptrend market, 4 hour chart also become the uptrend, and day chart become the uptrend. That means if I say that that will be uptrend, no doubt at this moment, become it very much higher for from these places that you should buy from there, no doubt about this. And now we'll say the NZJPY become the downtrend. A 4 hour chart is come to the make the indecision market in at this moment, not down, not up. And day chart also become the uptrend. That means we should avoid this pair at this moment. This is because it was not uh, avoid to this because indecision market at this moment and the JPY. And now we will see that the Euro NZ it's become the 1 hour chart is uptrend, 4 hour chart is uptrend market, it continuously up from there, and the day chart become the uptrend continuously. And you should from the and if I see that from in these places it's break up from the resistance areas. It was if I see that trend line from there, and it was continuously up. That means you should trying to buy at this moment from there. And now you'll see that GBP odd from there. This means our chart is become the uptrend market, or our chart is become the uptrend. And yes, your 1 day chart become the uptrend. It had the most support resistance areas, and in there it come to break down from there, but it could try to up in there. And this is the biggest resistance areas. But if I see that this is the come to the up at this moment, we never know that it's where will we go up from there. Now we will see that the sorry, CHF JPY, we will see that 1 hour chart is uptrend, is the continue to long, and the 4 hour chart become the uptrend for before a long time, and the or day chart become the uptrend market. That was the wow. I hope that most of the people who are the die from there. That's why I hope I now at this moment I didn't see that the will be down from there. It could be time few months needs to down. And now we'll discuss the Euro JPY also become the uptrend. Yes, 4 hour chart become the uptrend, day chart become the uptrend. And now we will see that this is the uptrend market because it was continuously support resistance areas break down from there. And now we will discuss the most important pair in gold. Where will we go? Gold, and gold we will discuss this for 15-minute charts from there. And this is the downtrend market. Continue, but 13 minutes chart also become the downtrend. It 1 hour chart becomes the downtrend, 4 hour chart become the downtrend, and J chart just like the uptrend. But I don't know. I think that that will not be effect for the day chart. It come to these places. I hope that that means uh, 1865 around this price. It can come to there. Then could be it will up from there if it is. Yes, now I will see that that will be a downtrend at this moment uh, in gold. But if I see that because this is the make in decision at this moment, we will just confused that gold, just confused that the gold will downtrend. I hope that is around 80% probability have to downtrend, but 20% have to confused in this market. And now we'll discuss the oil. Oil is the, yes, oil is the long time it was continuous to break up, and for our chart is continues to up, and day chart also trying to up. I hope that it will be up from there. So thank you very much for our videos. If you think uh, this videos helpful to of you, and you can share of your friends, and if you like comments, and if you needs to anything you can contact with me, and if you can comments in there I will reply from there. Thank you very much, have a good day.